Hi there, welcome back to a new section of this course. Now in this section, we'll be taking a look at insights and demographics. Now in this video, I'll be giving you a small introduction of this insights and demographics. So let's start this video by using a quote, and the quote reads, "You can't manage what you can't measure." So I believe that the quote is self-explanatory. If you need to manage something, then it is essential that you should be able to measure it. Now, in our particular case, the thing that we are managing is our Instagram page and our audience, and the way we measure them is using the insights and demographics tools provided by Instagram. Now, there are actually 4 types of insights and demographic tools that Instagram provides us, and they are the individual post insights, the audience insights, the reach insights, and lastly, the content interaction insights. And in this section, we'll be taking a look at all of these insights. But in this video, let's ask a different question. And the question would be how to use insights thoughtfully. Now, as you can see on the screen, you have to use your Instagram insights and demographics for 2 different things. And those are to understand your audience behavior and also to understand the Instagram algorithm. Now, in the first case of understanding the behavior of your audience, there are demographics like the age category of your audience, the location of your audience, etc. So by using those demographics, you will be able to understand the interests as well as the kind of contents that your followers are expecting from you. Now, on the flip side of the coin, we have understanding the Instagram algorithm. And in order to understand the Instagram algorithm, you have to constantly keep on experimenting by posting contents regularly. And you have to be so alert, and you have to keep on checking the Instagram insights frequently in order to understand the Instagram algorithm. Now, for example, say that you post contents related to Instagram stories as well as Instagram posts as well as Instagram reels. So you post these 3 types of contents frequently. Now, after a few times, say a week or 2, you are going to check the metrics of say Instagram stories as well as Instagram posts as well as Instagram reels, and you find out that using reels would gain you more number of reach as well as more number of followers. So what you should conclude from that is that you have to focus on Instagram reels in order to gain more followers as well as more reach. And that doesn't mean that you have to stop posting Instagram posts as well as Instagram stories. You do have to post Instagram stories as well as Instagram posts. But what you have to do is that you have to give more focus to Instagram Reels, because when you check the Instagram insights and demographics, you found out that Reels work better than Instagram posts as well as Instagram stories for your account. So that is how you should understand the Instagram algorithm, by experimenting, by posting different contents and understanding the behavior of your audience. So I hope this small intro did give you a lot of information. For now, let's take a short break, and we'll be continuing in the next video with Instagram individual post insights. So I'll see you over there.